In this quick tutorial, we're diving into how to edit the mobile view in Practice Better. Whether you're customizing the look of your client portal or making sure your content is mobile friendly, this video will walk you through everything you need to know. The first thing to know is that Practice Better offers a user-friendly mobile view editor. This allows you to tweak the client experience directly from the mobile version of your platform. You can start by logging into your Practice Better account, heading to the Settings section, and navigating to the Client Portal tab. Next, go to the Mobile View section. Here, you'll see different settings specifically tailored for mobile devices. What's great about this feature is that you can adjust the layout, making it more intuitive for clients using their phones or tablets. The third thing to keep in mind is how customizable the mobile view actually is. You can adjust colors, fonts, and layout spacing to ensure everything looks professional and cohesive on mobile. This is a huge plus if you're targeting clients who are frequently on their phones. Now, let's talk about the fourth thing, hiding certain sections on mobile. Maybe you don't want to show all the details from your desktop view on mobile. With Practice Better, you can choose to hide specific sections, which can make the user experience cleaner and more focused on what matters most. Next, we'll cover the fifth thing, previewing your changes. Practice Better lets you preview the mobile view before making it live. This is crucial because it helps ensure that everything looks just as you imagined it and functions smoothly for your clients. A quick preview can save you from potential headaches later. Now, if you're thinking this is all that Practice Better offers, it's not. While these features are solid, there are some limitations to what you can do in terms of deep customization. If you're looking for more flexibility or features that extend beyond what Practice Better offers, there are alternatives out there that might be a better fit for your goals. The last thing I'll mention here is that there are a few tools that can offer more advanced customization options, especially for users who are looking to scale their practice. For example, some competitors might provide easier integration with other platforms or more robust mobile optimization. At the end of the video, I'll give you details on how you can try out these alternatives for free, so stick around. So, if you're ready to dive into Practice Better, the good news is that I have an exclusive and extended free trial offer for you. Not only that, but I've also linked to a couple of great alternatives that might be better suited for your specific needs. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits, only available to our viewers. Let me know which software you prefer after trying them out, and as always, feel free to ask any questions in the comments.